Now we wow. Now we talking about the story of the Akara. Yeah, just reading for everyone about the viewer, and please help me to subscribe because I need somebody to know about my children, and he always makes me do this to do that, but I trying to explain him to like reading.
Ra được đây,
Yeah.
ra được đây,
Yeah.
ra được đây. Nu,
Đi.
làm được đây.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
This book is writing about the Akras going for the waste item, and it's the Akra only job sock rubbish to carry a very hard smell, which caused him to be unhealthy. Akra in endeavor and struggle to search for those items for his living. Akra find old books and a garbage pills, which is his reading book before his father lost the ledge. Akra picked up and read a book. While reading, Akra is the completely converted by the feel that remind him to the time at the which he learned at the school in his homeland. Read the book.
No.
Yeah.
No.
What? I'm not. Wow. I'm not. Pass me a book, please. Pass me a book. Yes, you can see this one.